you had some damage on another property and there's a water issue, you got to go fix that. Those are things that pop up that you have to process in your route to doing the projected goals that you have. So you got to organize that. My best tool for that now, after years and years and years of constantly doing this stuff, is Evernote. And to me, Evernote, you can actually use the RPM methodology in Evernote to categorize and compartmentalize things. Then you can actually have tasks coming in, like you put them in your phone, and you can slide them to Evernote immediately. If something happens, you can capture it, put it in your phone, and then you can get to it later on your computer or something else. And then if you're able to duplicate that, now we start cloning, right? Now, if you can get your team to work that quickly and do that as well. And finally, there's another one called The Secret Weapon, which shows you, it's a website called thesecretweapon.org, which shows you how to combine getting things done with Evernote. And there's another one called IQTel, which helps you manage projects. IQTel.com helps you manage projects, and it actually technologically integrates Evernote and the Getting Things Done system online. So these tools are there, and we can talk about making a lot of money, and we can say that we have this vision to our people, but when we actually are able to implement these type of tools and organize ourselves, the wheels just are going to turn faster and faster and faster.